Hey, what's up guys? Carlo here with another copywriting tutorial. Today we're gonna see some copy exercises you can do right now. You can even do them while you watch this video. So my main purpose here, guys, is to show you the power of words, of copywriting, because even if you don't know it, you do copyright it every single day. Every single message you send to your friends, to your family, every text you send, every message on Facebook, on Instagram, every email, everything that you even say with words applies copywriting. Why? Because you need to pick the words that you want, that you think that will get you the best benefit, the best results. So let's say that you're talking with your friends and you're talking about going to dinner, right? Going out with your friends. But you know you don't want to go to that Chinese restaurant. You want to go to the Italian one. So you pick the words, the arguments that you know that are going to work best with your friends because you know them, right? So depending on the words that you pick, they are going to be persuaded or not, right? So let's say that I tell you, copy exercise you can do right now, okay? But what happens if I do this? If I put here proven copy exercises you can do right now. Who is proving them, right? It's just a word, proven exercise. They're proven because I've done it in the past and they work. But if you tell people proven, it takes all the fear away, all the uncertainty, because you're always thinking like, okay, is this gonna work for me? Is this exercise is gonna work for my case in specific? Remember, we're always thinking about ourselves. What is the impact that this information has in my life and how am I gonna be able to apply it? So today I'm gonna show you exactly how can you apply these exercises right now, even when you're watching this video. So I know I always talk about power words, but power words are the single most efficient way to get a message through, and that's the purpose of copywriting at the end, right? Getting your message in the best way as possible so people pay attention to you and they get persuaded and they do what you think is the best. You can watch, I made a video about the difference between persuasion and manipulation. You can watch that if you have any doubts and you're starting out. And this might sound evil to you in a way. So, I want you to take the next message, go right now into WhatsApp, take a friend, someone you can talk to, and apply any of these words in your next message and see the reaction. You can even see how long does it take to reply. This is an interesting exercise you can do right now. So take WhatsApp and use any of these words that are obviously in a context that is relatable, right? So you can use flawless. Tell them, hey, I found this flawless way to cook cupcakes. Let's say that you're talking to your friend about cooking. Tell them like, hey, I got this new flawless recipe, and see how they react. If they respond quicker, if they're suddenly more interested. Even you can tell them like, hey, I found this cool recipe to cook pizza, and then tell them like, maybe they ignore you or something, and then tell another friend maybe, or themselves, but later, hey, I found this flawless recipe, and see what is the reaction. So you can apply it right now. Copywriting is everywhere, and if you master these skills, you're gonna get the best results with the least benefit. Another one, good one that I love really much is jaw dropping. So it can even applies to anything, like take a video of a cat, a meme, whatever, and tell them, hey, I watched this jaw dropping video, and see if they react quicker. right? So apply it right now, take your WhatsApp and do it. And I'm gonna give you other examples that you can apply, because it depends on your friend, the person on the other side, and the context, right? You're not gonna, it applies to anything. Crucial, rather than tell people, hey, this is really important, this is crucial. Obviously, don't over exaggerate over things that are not true. Just tell them, if something is really important, tell them like, hey, I think this is crucial, or this is gonna be crucial for our lives. And you can send them a video about nutrition or exercise, like, hey, I think going running, it's crucial, or it's gonna become crucial in our lives. So tell them something like that. Powerful, really good one. Hey, this is a really powerful technique, this is a really powerful video I saw about motivation, about copywriting, a really powerful thing. And see how they reply. Triggers, really good one, really powerful, like, hey, this always triggers me out. Like, I found that watching videos triggers some motivation in me. Something like that. Easy to implement, really good one, easy to implement. Like, hey man, I found this easy to implement way of lifting weights. You can even apply this to your next email, also to your next post, Instagram post, social media post, YouTube post. These words work really good for thumbnails, for YouTube subjects. Another good one is bulletproof. Tell a friend like, hey, this also seems bulletproof, like this can help you out, right? And see the reaction. Other good ones, tailored. Like, hey, I found this video and this seems like tailored to me. Like these exercises almost feel like they're tailored, like they were made for me. But rather than telling your friend like they were made for me, tell them tailored, and see how it hands off. So rather than telling like, yes, this is the best course I've seen, this is the best shirt, you can say hands off the best shirt. And you see they're gonna make a bigger impact. Simple fix, blew my mind, mind opener. Like, this video was a mind opener, this Instagram post was mind opener to me, rather than telling them it's important. But because even though you don't notice it, when you're sending a friend or family or someone a video or something you want them to read, and how many times they just ignore it, or they watch it quickly but they don't pay attention? A lot of times. But you truly believe it's something important, right? You have found maybe a TEDx or a YouTube video that you think like, hey, I want you to apply this. You can use copywriting to persuade them into actually watching it and applying. So tell them like, hey, I saw this video and it was just mind opener. So in this way you can exercise your copywriting skills every single time. It's not that you're gonna start clickbaiting all your friends and tell them like everything is crucial and skyrocket and jaw dropping, but you can practice and apply it right now so you can see the power and you can test it out. And then when you feel more comfortable, do it in your own copy, in your emails, in your posts. So apply this right now. If you're doing any social media, make a post and put one of these words, or this one, paint blank truth, defies common sense. That's a really good one. Genuine, unusual. There's a lot of power words. So basically, down below there's a link also where you can get a PDF with all those power words. So don't worry about it. You don't have to put your email or anything. It's just free, so I can help you out. And apply this right now. Another cool exercise that you can do next is, if you see any billboards, any ads in the street, or you are in the bathroom and you take like your shampoo bottle and you see the brand, try to make it different. Like, how would I make this brand different? How would I make this copy different? Or grab any Instagram post and do like, how could this be better? right? And just rewrite it. It's called mental rewriting, where you rewrite some copy. But obviously, I love the exercises that you can apply right now, so you can see the power right now and get benefits right now. Exactly. So another cool one before I go is, if you're doing a post or something, maybe an email or a YouTube video, use this formula, which I worked. It worked the first time that I did it. It was really good. It is, give me X minutes and I will show you how to X. So tell people like, hey, let's say that you have an Instagram and it's about cooking. Give me 10 minutes and I'll show you how to cook the perfect pizza. Give me 2 months and I'll show you how to earn 5K. Give me 2 days and I'll show you everything I know about copywriting, and I'll show you how to write a sales page. Give me 4 hours and I'll show you how to write a perfect Facebook ad. Even myself, I want that, right? It sounds really good. So apply this right now. Give me X minutes and I will show you how to do the thing that people want. So apply this, apply the other techniques, use your friends, use anything that you have to start practicing copywriting right now. So imagine this. How good would you become a copywriter if you applied every single day in every single message that you send? You just need to have a different mindset. So how come am I going to be able to persuade people more? What are the best words I can pick in your work, in your emails, in any email, even with your words that you talk to people out? Change your mindset and think, how can I communicate better in a way that it's clearer, that it's more persuasive? So copies everywhere. Apply it right now. Use those power words. Use this headline that works pretty good. Maybe do the rewriting exercise in your mind, which is also pretty awesome. If you want to see more of these free trainings in the future, guys, subscribe down below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Peace out.